Hello and welcome. You are now looking at Audacity, and Audacity is a program made to create and edit and manage your audio. And in this course, we're going to work through a spoken word audio project so that we can take an audio that we have purchased and then prepare it and get it ready for both listening and for sale. So we'll be doing everything from preparing the audio, editing the audio, as well as creating snippets to promote on various websites, including our own. We'll also explore different options for hosting your audio, as well as different mediums you can use to make it available to the public. And primarily, you're probably looking for a way to create audio and make it available for sale. And we will take a look at doing this also using your existing website. So we'll start the process by discussing the existing hardware configuration in order to create and add on to the audio. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.